I'm sorry about that other video. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. Well, yeah. Oh, crap it. Oops, I said crap it. I'm such a bad boy. Now I'm gonna die eating doo-doo. I'm gonna choke on doo-doo. I'm gonna be at the image place. See that lonely little image place over there? That little thingamajig right there. You know, the little thingamajig. You know, that little white dot thing. That's called an image place. And I'm gonna choke on doo-doo over there. I am gonna die at the image place. And I don't even know what that is, the image place. I don't even know what the image place is. I don't even know why it's there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Brandon, hold up. Brandon just hold it in. Brandon just hold it. Oh my gosh. I think there's someone in the car. Man. Dude, I think there's someone in the car. I'm getting scared. Oh my gosh, Dad! Turn this thing off.